What's up? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying my vlogs as well. So finally I am getting the delivery of my new car, which is the Nexon, the Tata Nexon electric or the EV version. A car which I am taking delivery of after a long wait. So I think it's almost 4 months that I've been waiting for this car. I've booked the car already in July and it was start call because of this subsidy and all these regulations. We are just headed towards the showroom right now, and once we reach there I'll show you guys over there. So till then, stay tuned. So guys, so this is the car right here. As you can see, all white lorry, and we're just taking it inside the showroom right now so that we can perform the rituals. And look at it. Wow, it's beautiful. And there's no noise, so it's kind of new for me, kind of weird, because it's my first electric vehicle and no engine noise, nothing. इसको रिकॉर्डिंग कर देना। रिकॉर्डिंग है चालू। फोटो हे मला मी तू करतो बाबांनी परफेक्ट शर्ट घातलं, ब्लू आणि व्हाईट. अरे मी मास्क घातलं. अरे काय यार, परत मास्क काढ, तिकडनं मास्क काढ. रिपीट अरे एक मिनिट. अरे आता डबल तुम्ही ना. अरे काढू का नंबर जातो ना, पण जाऊ दे ना तुझं मुंबईचा. एक पापी पाडली नाही फुलाची. Alright, so there you go. That was a photo session which we were doing with the car. So finally the car is ready, all set up to go, and I'll be explained about the features, how to do the charging and everything, how to drive the car basically, and what all precautions you need to take care of the car. And once all that is done, all the formalities, documents have been signed, we'll take this home. And नई गाड़ी की डिलीवरी लेनी रहती है तो सारे खुश रहते हैं, सारे हैप्पी रहते हैं. काफ़ी फ़ोटोज़ निकाले हम लोग ने एंड काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ. ये हो गया एक्सटीरियर का सब. एज यू कैन सी देयर इज़ ब्लू लाइनिंग which indicates that it's an electric car. It's given all over the car, all around the car. You can see it's on the boot. Ziptron written here. The drivetrain which uses EV as it's an electric car, and yeah, EV badging over there also. So I think there's one at the front also. So many badges given for indicating that it's an EV car, and the main one is the green number plate which is here. And this blue accent really looks good on the white car. Coming to the interiors of the car, yeah, plain simple but good looking. And love this blue accents here. This thing is gloss black. Let me just switch on the light. Yep, there you go. That's the Ganpati Bappa which we have just placed, and can't wait to drive this car. There you go. Spacious, lot of space, comfortable car, and there's a cute little, I think, lion cub, a lion and a baby lion over here, which is also a good touch. So yep, pretty happy with the purchase.
हो काय करतोय त्याची ड्युटी करतोय मी तुला चावी दिली
मी इकडे एकटाच होता म्हणून मी आलो धावत धावत.
Finally we have made it home, and I've brought the car at a place, at a building, and I hope you guys have liked the vlog, the delivery of the car as much we have. I've enjoyed it a lot, and the initial drive experience is also a little different than the regular cars, the petrol and diesel cars. So yeah, I'll be exploring more about the car and also taking you guys along with me in this journey and show you guys more, and whatever updates are coming, and whatever videos I can possibly show, I'll film it. I'll try to film it and show you guys how the new experience of electric vehicles is. So stay tuned and be with me in this journey. Bye.